Hello students, welcome back. So in this video we will talk about the next method of describing the concentration of solutions, that is mass by volume percentage. So as from the name it is clear, mass by volume. So here the solute is taken in grams and the solution is taken by volume. So that's why the formula is the mass of the solute upon the volume of the solution into 100. So this is the similar method as we in the previous videos we saw the mass by mass method, percentage method to describe the concentration, then volume by volume percentage method. So here this is mass by volume. The only difference is that the solute is taken in grams and volume of the solution is taken as a denominator, or other way the solution is taken by volume. So this unit, that is mass by volume percentage unit, that is commonly used in medicines and pharmacy industry. So for example, how to understand this method? For example, it is given 10% solution of sodium chloride. So what is the meaning of this 10% solution of sodium chloride? 10 gram means 10 gram of NaCl that is dissolved in 90 ml of water. So here see, we have taken water, amount of water by volume, and the amount of solute NaCl which act as a solute we have taken in grams. So हो गया ना ये grams और ये volume में. So then the resulting in 100 ml of the solution. So in this way this method that is also used to describe the concentration of solutions, that is the mass by volume.